So y'all, I got this terrible stain in my car the other day when I was bringing home some groceries, and I was just like, I gotta find a way to get this out because I'm not trying to pay to go get it clean. So I looked on YouTube and I found some things and I made my own concoction. So here it is. So I used 3 teaspoons, I think that's like a teaspoon of baking soda, and I put it into my measuring cup because it was easier to pour into the bottle that I'm going to use to spray this mixture in. So I'm going to put another one in there, and basically I poured the vinegar, but that was basically like, let me see how much I poured. It was like 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and then I put in the water until the 3/4 cup line. So it's basically mainly, most of it is water. I want to say 3/4 of a cup, but it's more like 2/3 of a cup. And then I just took this old bottle that I had. It was like shampoo spray for your hair or whatever, and I just dumped that stuff out, and I rinsed the bottle out really good, and then I just put that mixture in there because it had the squirt top. And then I put in some Dawn dish detergent, good old dish detergent, y'all know, to take out all the stains. And that was basically probably like 3 tablespoons of, well, I keep saying tablespoons. That was probably 3 teaspoons of dish liquid, and then I just shook it together, and it is what it is. And now we finna go clean this car out. So I took the spray and I sprayed and saturated, not saturated completely, but I sprayed the stain area. And then I took this brush that I got from Angela's. They sell shoe paints and everything like that, acrylic paints and stuff like that. And I bought a shoe cleaning brush. So I used that brush because it was, you know, I figured it would be a good thing to use. It was better than a toothbrush. And I also found another little spot and I cleaned it out too. So that's the other spot that I am scraping at. Basically, by the time I sprayed on the solution, it was like the stain had already lifted out. So I just took the brush and I scrubbed at the spot area. And then I took I'm going back and doing another spot treatment. I'm sorry. Give me a second. Okay, Eb. Hurry up, we got to talk about the rest of it. Then I took a cloth with cold water on it, and I just went at the spot area that I just previously brushed, and I just rubbed at the area to kind of get the mixture out, so it's not like sitting in the car. So you all, this is the next day. Next morning has been about 16 hours, and you can see that the spot is completely gone. So yes, make sure you use this solution if you have any stains or anything. I'm sure this is probably good for carpet or anything, but if you have seats that have stains in them, yeah, go ahead and use that solution, because you see Eb's finesse tips, it came through and it worked. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.